Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Genesis GV80 coupe versus the GLE Coupe. Let's start by looking at their striking exteriors. We'll explore how each brand approaches luxury and sportiness in their design. Notice the subtle differences in their lines and curves, which contribute to their unique road presence. From the grille to the taillights, every detail tells a story about its maker. Pay close attention to how these design choices impact their overall aesthetic appeal. Moving inside, we'll dive into the luxurious cabins of both the GV80 Coupe and the GLE Coupe. We'll examine the quality of materials, from premium leather to intricate trim pieces, and how they contribute to the overall ambience. Next, we'll explore their cutting-edge infotainment systems and digital instrument clusters. Finally, we'll consider seating comfort for all occupants and the practical cargo space available for your adventures. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, are you tired of messy lunches? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're heading to work or on a road trip. Check the description below for the link and other exclusive deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's talk about what's under the hood and how these vehicles perform. We'll compare the various engine options, from powerful V6s to robust 4-cylinders, and their respective horsepower figures. Next, we'll discuss how their suspension systems are tuned, impacting ride comfort and handling. Finally, we'll analyze their driving dynamics, including steering feel and overall agility, to see which offers a more engaging experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.